In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your SHEIN invoice using both the app and the website. Whether you prefer to use your smartphone or your computer, I'll guide you through each method to ensure you have quick access to your purchase invoices. This process is helpful if you need proof of purchase for returns or reimbursements, or if you just like to keep track of your spending. Let's start with the SHEIN app. First, open the SHEIN app on your mobile device. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the bottom right corner of the app and tap the Me icon. This takes you to your account dashboard where you can manage all your personal settings and details. On this page, tap on My Orders. Here, you'll see a list of all your recent orders. Find the specific order you need an invoice for and tap to open it. As you scroll down, you'll see an option labeled Order Details. Tap on it to view more comprehensive information about your purchase. Look for an option to download invoice or view invoice. If these options are not visible, take a moment to capture a screenshot of the order details page, which should include essential information such as item prices, order number, date, and your address. Now, let's move on to how you can get your invoice using the SHEIN website, whether you're on a desktop or a mobile browser. Start by visiting www.shein.com or navigate to the specific region's SHEIN site that you usually use. Once you're on the homepage, log into your account. Hover over or click your profile or account icon, which is generally at the top of the page. From there, click on My Orders. This section will display your recent purchases. Locate the order for which you need the invoice and click View Details. Once inside the Details page, search for a button labeled Download Invoice or an option to print. If available, you can click to download a PDF version of your invoice. If you don't see this, simply print the order details page or save it as a PDF using your browser's function. Finally, it's important to know what you'll find on the invoice you retrieve. Your invoice will typically include the order number and date, your billing and shipping addresses, detailed item descriptions and their prices, any shipping costs or discounts, the total amount paid, and the payment method used. Keeping this information at hand can be particularly useful for managing your records or making any necessary claims. So there you have it. Two straightforward methods to access and retrieve your SHEIN invoice, whether using the app or the website. Remember, having access to your invoice is not just about tracking expenses, but also vital for potential returns or disputes. I hope you found this guide helpful, and don't forget to like this video, share it with others who might be interested, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.